Are you locked out of your home or car in New Haven? Perhaps you've lost your keys, or your lock is simply refusing to cooperate. It's a frustrating situation, but there's no need to panic. Professional locksmith services are here to help. At Sure Lock Key, we understand the urgency and stress of lock-related issues. That's why we offer fast, reliable, and affordable locksmith services throughout New Haven, Connecticut. Our skilled technicians are available 24/7, ready to assist you with any lock or key problem. From emergency lockouts to key duplication, lock repairs, and new installations, we've got you covered. We specialize in residential locksmith services, ensuring your home is always secure. Our automotive locksmith experts can handle car lockouts, key replacements, and ignition repairs. Businesses in New Haven also rely on us for commercial locksmith solutions, enhancing their security. Choosing Sure Lock Key means choosing peace of mind, knowing experienced professionals are on the job. We pride ourselves on our quick response times and our commitment to customer satisfaction. Don't let a lock problem ruin your day. Contact Sure Lock Key for immediate assistance. Visit our website today to learn more about our comprehensive locksmith services in New Haven.